It was just an example. I still felt like it was a good trade, even though it went against me.
Mm.
I sold. The other one was I bought a put. It reversed against me, but I sold. Try to stay with it more conviction with the and sold at the top of the zone.
Mm. To
That's
give
it.
it some more wiggle room, and of course,
I
what, like 3 minutes later.
yeah, right.
That's how it always works, basically. It's all planned, man. Funny enough, but
But
honestly, I'm willing to bet. So another, 'cause I think you just need to start watching other zones for your targets. Honestly,
okay,
because like from this is a 1 minute chart, so it's hard to tell. But let me get the let me get rid of this one, screenshot this, and I'll show you what I'm about to say. Okay. So you bought the put here, somewhere
uh-huh.
here, and it went down. It kind of consolidated it a bit, but it went down. But if you notice this wick here, right?
Right.
This and I guess a little bit of this other area, but because of how this is, one, two, yeah, give or take, I'm willing to bet on the 5 minute chart. This area over
Was
here,
another zone.
yep, and it basically that plus 10 cents. Can't draw that straight, obviously. Basically came down to tap it there, and basically kind of close to that anyway, right? So like
Yep.
for me, if I'm watching this, if I'm buying here, I did all this. So I'll go back. I'll go against what I said earlier. So this is how I understand price action. The way I understand price action is you bought a put here. Ignore the doji for now. But it went up, didn't get to your stop loss area, which at this point was up here. That's fine, or up here, right here. It doesn't matter, whichever one it want to be. You want to be. But it comes down, gets to this spot, doesn't necessarily go all the way down. So you're like, okay, well, I want to sell down here. Next one comes right here, stops here. Okay, that's interesting. Next one comes down, exact same spot of the wicks, right? Goes up, comes back down, basically same spot as the wick, basically same spot as the wick, basically same spot as the wick. And also, I mean, a little past it, I guess, here. But the chart basically from a price action perspective literally said one, two, three, four, 5 times that I can't break past this because something's preventing me
Uh,
from actually doing that. So usually for me, if it got to the third one, I'm like, okay, I need to go back to the 5 minute chart. Is there a zone I'm missing? Literally right here. Do I need to sell it now?
I see. I see.
And then like, okay, now I need to sell. Oh man, it didn't go all the way down to here. Okay, well that's fine. I'll wait for the next play.